Alright, the moment of truth. See if this thing will work. I've done everything I could try, checked everything out. Put the new on-off switch, volume on there. Put this back on just to be safe, in case these electrolytics blow. But, see what happens. Bring it up slow. Uh-oh. There's a bad hum in the transformer. I think the whole chassis is shaking. Yeah, that can't be good. It is just dead. I got full power 110. Still buzzing, but not blowing up. But I noticed this. There's something going on in that can. I think it's trying to do something. Got rid of that short. I hear something. Well, I got it to work. Something with the switch I put in. It's like full volume, but at least it works. And the short in the can was a problem. Something with this switch, the buzzing transformer doesn't seem to be an issue. But at least it plays again. So that's good.
To the east on Harris Boulevard near Appleboro Road, North Charlotte Old Concord Road at McDaniel Lane. Movement on Cannon, WBG traffic across the nation.
I don't want you, but I hate to lose you. You got me in between the devil and a deep blue sea.
It's all put back together. Let's see if it works. Just hit it all 110 right at one time. Lights on. Transformer's buzzing. Yeah, it's working.
About it, let's put out the lights and go to sleep.
Alright, that's all I wanted to do, is just make it play again. I'm sure there's better ways of doing it than the way I did, but I got to play. That was the only goal. May not be the prettiest restoration job in the world, but it worked. Alright, thanks for watching.